What's up, you guys? It's Kris. Welcome to my channel. So today we're just gonna do a cute little chill and deep condition with me. It's a Saturday, so I'm cleaning up today, washing my hair, obviously. And I just thought I would share how I deep condition my curls. I feel like some people get confused when they hear the word deep condition. They don't really know what that means or what product to get. You typically want to look for products that say deep condition, mask, or treatment. So just because it doesn't say the word deep condition on it, that doesn't mean you can't use it as your deep conditioner. So also look for masks and treatments. So today I'm going to be using a treatment. This is from the brand Aphogee, and this is their Curlific texture treatment. And I've used this a few times before and I really like it. I got this from Sally's, and I will just read what it says. It says Curlific products are pH optimized for maximum results and contain our exclusive pH complex, utilizing proteins for strength, emollients for shine, and humectants for softness. Curlific is serious hair care for textured hair. Wavy, curly, or coiled hair types are most susceptible to damage than straight hair due to structure and styling resistance. Weekly use of this treatment maintains beautiful hair regardless of the environment or styling regimen. A must for color treated curls. I didn't read that before, so I am color treated. The directions say to shampoo your hair. After rinsing with warm water, work a liberal amount of this treatment through your thirsty locks. Leave in on a minute and then rinse, finishing with cool water. So that's the thing. Some deep conditioners or treatments will say leave in for 1 minute. Some will say 2. Some will say 30. I like to leave them on for, on average, 30 minutes. If I'm feeling real spicy and, I'm really feeling myself, I'll even sit underneath my rollabout dryer. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. So it's, what I get from this product is it's supposed to be like a treatment that will really help your curls just kind of bounce back. So if you're feeling like your curls need a little bit of help, they're not hanging how they normally hang, then give this a try. Now, obviously, it's not a miracle worker. You probably would need to use it consistently to see like some real results. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. It has kind of like a salon scent, like it kind of would have, I don't know, it gives me salon vibes, like that salon smell, that kind of chemical salon smell, but not like super bad. I don't know, that's the best I can describe it for me. The front actually says improves elasticity, repairs damaged curls, coils, and waves. So yeah, if you feel like you're experiencing like some damage, your curls aren't acting right, maybe give this a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section my hair. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, I did already shampoo and condition my hair. So now I'm gonna go in with this treatment, and it is like a thicker product. This is how it looks on my hand. But it's very soft and becomes very creamy. So this is the first section, and I'm just gonna comb through. It's already detangled, but just comb it through. This is the difference. You can see down here we have moisture, shine, and then this section is just frizzy and dry. The middle and the crown is like my struggle area. Probably always has been. I even remember when I was relaxed, this area also gave me problems. So I feel like it's pretty common. A lot of people struggle with like the midsection. So I'm really gonna try and focus on the middle. Okay, so now we're just gonna let this sit. It says a minute, but obviously we're gonna leave it on longer than that, probably like a good 10, 15. If I had a shower cap, I would put that on, but I ran out, so I need to get more of those. But you would just put on your plastic shower cap, do some things around the house, whatever, and leave it on. Let the treatment, the deep conditioner, the mask, whatever it is, you wanna let it sit and really work its magic. You want to be consistent with it. So I would say weekly. I personally want to start deep conditioning twice a week, but that would mean I would have to do my hair on a weekday, and I just be too sleepy after work to be trying to come home and wash and deep condition and style. It's just a lot. Maybe I'll get better at that. But I do this weekly, and so yes, I'm gonna let it sit. This is how it's looking. These are my curls right now. I'm just applying a little bit more. So yes, I'm gonna do what I have to do. I'm gonna shower, rinse this out, and I will come back and show you guys what my curls look like after I rinse. So that'll be my hair with no product. But yeah, deep conditioning is important. So please deep condition your hair, please. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower, just rinsed out the conditioner. So this is how the curls are looking. They're very, very soft. I can just run my hands through, and that's what you want. Your hair should feel moisturized, soft, and manageable after you deep condition. Oh yes, this was a short and sweet video. Just wanted to share with you guys how I deep condition, and the same process would apply even if I was using a different product. I would just leave it on, add a shower cap. I did add on a Publix grocery bag because I realized, okay, I don't have a shower cap, so I can use a grocery bag. So if you don't have a shower cap, just use your grocery bag. Make it do what it do. If you have a dryer, sit underneath your dryer. Adding heat just like really intensifies the conditioner. So yes, that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.